All right, let's take a look at how we find a back-end ratio for Melanie here. All right, so the back-end ratio is total expenses divided by your gross monthly income. And it needs to be monthly. Okay, so we're going to find all of our monthly expenses, and then we're going to combine them. So let's see. You got to remember that that is also housing expenses plus other expenses. So let's start with the housing. The housing is the loan payment plus the property tax plus the homeowner's insurance. So let's start with that. Let's see. Our loan payment is going to be $1,005 plus a property tax of $75.80 annually, plus a homeowner's insurance of $20.50 annually. So we got to remember that because those are annual, we actually need to divide them by 12. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to take that there's two amounts, and we're going to divide them. So 75.80 divided by 12 is 631.67. And then that 20.50, oops, let's clear that, divided by 12 is 170.83. All right, so our housing is, we're going to add all of these numbers up. Okay, so we're going to take in that 1,005 plus that 631.67 plus that 170.83, and we're going to get $1,807.50. That's our housing expenses. And now we need to find our other expenses, which, if we go back to the problem, is $275 for car loan, $110 for credit card, and $36 for our college loan. So let's add those together. So we have $275 plus that other one, $110 plus $36. All right, and we get $421. And then we're going to combine that with our housing expenses. So we get 1,807.5 plus 421, and we get $2,228.50. And now we need to find our gross monthly income. And again, they give us $85,000 per year for income. So we're going to take that $85,000, and we're going to divide it by 12, and we're going to get our gross monthly income. So 85,000 divided by 12, and we get $7,083.33. All right, and finally, we're going to plug both of these numbers into our back-end ratio. So we have that $2,228.50 divided by $7,083.33. Let's see what we get. All right, so we have 2,228.5 divided by $7,083.33, and we get 0.314. All right, so that is 0.31, and that is less than 36% for our back-end ratio, or 0.36 for our back-end ratio, so that means the bank will lend them money.